how can you make AI generated videos using your Capcut app? So first you're gonna go to your Capcut app right there, and here you have your options. So, and right there at the top you have script to video, and this is what we press. You can either use AI writer to write the stuff for you, or you can just write your own script, and this is what I'm gonna do. So you just insert your script. So here I have a story about turning Santa's mail into Christmas miracles. So I just press done. You can either use your local materials, so you can put them themselves, or you can just go for smart generation and Capcut will find all the footage for you. So I'm just gonna go for it, and now it's generating. We're gonna wait for some time. So here is your editing menu. So here is the video that Capcut has done for you. So you can just play it. So as you can see, you have the footage, you have the text, and you have text to speech. So if you're gonna change it, so you just press this edit more button. And yeah, here are your options. So this is your regular Capcut. So you're gonna change overlay, add some stuff. You're gonna change also captions if you would like. You can put some effects and of course change the ratio for your TikTok videos. So if you do not like the stuff that Capcut has suggested, you can just delete it and start anew. You can just save this video footage, but you can change the script a little bit. You can just add some text and change some captions right there, and the Capcut will automatically regenerate text for you. So for example, let's try this initiative. Yep, and as you can see, we can now regenerate our speech. So this is what we do. Yep, and now the change is done. So I pay your attention to the quality of the video footage, and as you can see, it is not top notch. It's only 720p. So what you're gonna do, just press export, and yep, here you go. So now the video is done, so I hope that you guys will have fun with this cool feature on your Capcut app. So please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, let us know in the comments what you think of this feature, or what kind of information, what kind of problem that you would like us to tackle on our next videos. So see you guys next time.